To track your workouts using HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, first of all, you have to open your workout, and before you start actually tracking workout, you have to click on this two dots and you have to set all of those things. So for example, you can set the goal of your workout, for example, distance, time, or total burned kilocalories. And below you can find a lot of options, for example, the mistake prevention, or for example, some reminders, but even some things like the workout broadcast level, or for example, you can turn on location services to track your path, and some other things like even the recovery heart rate. So set up everything like you want up to your preferences. And now when you want to just start your workout, let's say I want to get outdoor run, you have to click on it. There's a short description how you have to wear your watch. Now you can find the battery remaining time, so around 9 hours, your current GPS connection, and your current heart rate. And right now I can even turn on the warm-up or click go, and
Workout
it will
started.
Yeah, the workout started, and now we can find all of this base information. And when you make this gesture, you can even show a map of your workout so you can quickly navigate if you are outside. And here, by scrolling up and down, you can find some information. Take a look, for example, the balance, ground contact time. There's like actually a lot of things here. It's super detailed. You can check the training stress and other things. And right now, if you want to, for example, pause this workout, you are
Workout
clicking
paused.
here. If you want to change some settings, you are clicking here, because you can still adjust some settings during your workout. And if you want to finish your workout, you are clicking here. But on the right side, you can actually find some shortcuts, for example, for music and other things. And this is basically how you can track your
Workout
workouts on this device.